Are you bored at home? Do you have no social life? Is your only friend a dog? Well, guess what? I'm gonna show you guys how to spice things up and have some fun with your fellow canine companion. And this is mine. Say hi. Are you ready to party? First way to have fun with your dog, reenact movies. You jump, I jump, right? Right? You jump, I jump. No? No? You just gonna let me draw? Ah! Step 2, karaoke. Step 3, watch movies together.
Everybody wants to be your cat.
You're not even paying attention. I know it's not your movie of preference, but I'm sorry. It's not that bad if you give it a chance. And last but not least, number 4, play dress up. Gangsters.
Ain't this, and this ain't that, and bitch I'm strapped. Run with real niggas that'll cut your throat, and they don't drink Pepsi. They just see me out, nigga, I do my thing in club.
So those were your 4 ways to have fun with your dog when you're bored home alone. Hope you guys enjoyed and I hope this was helpful. Or not, whichever. And the star of the show wants to say thank you for watching. And she probably hates me. I love her. Say bye. Subscribe, guys. Say bye. Excuse me.